Hi, this is the last task, the task number 6, final exam word formation of language form and functions signature. My name is Patricia, Patricia Pararat, and I'm going to talk about blends. But first, I'm going to show you the relation that has the word formation and blending. So, as you can see in this screen, the most common way of classifying the formation pattern in English is the morphemic patterns and non-morphemic patterns. When we have to focus on non-morphemic patterns, because with this process we can addition of the fact that they do not obey morphemic boundaries is that they are less regular and therefore less predictable. We can divide it in back information, blending, acronym formation, clipping, and reduplicate formations. Now, what are blend meaning? When we are talking about blends or blending, blends are words that combine two words, inclusive the letters or sound, and they have in common as a connective element. But what does blend used for? The term blend subsumes a number of ways in which two or more words can be merged into each other. So the thing is that we can put two words and mix it, or maybe to put two words and let them the full words. But the thing is that we can create another word, another real word who can have a stronger meaning or a different meaning about the two words that we put it together. In the most typical cases, overlapping segments of words are exploited as, for example, smog. It becomes with two words about smoke and fog. As you can see, it's a mix of words, smoke. Another type of blend, the meaning of the blending exams are also blends of meaning of the sources lexems. For example, sexploitation, and you can see the two words sex and exploitation. There are two words. When we can see the word sexploitation, there are two words, and we put it together, but it's still the full forms. If you wait a minute, if you don't know what is the sexploitation meaning, I found the meaning of that. That is the commercial exploitation of sex in fields on another media. So keep going with our topic. We have another examples. As you can see, it's a sunflower, but we are going to talk about the general flower plus pot, so became a flower pot. That is a plane. As you can see, it's a word with two words together became another word, another meaning. Electro and execute. So we have electrocute as a blend. Friend and enemy. Frenemy. It's a mixed word. Frenemy. So that is the words that I show you. That is the reference that I use for this presentation. Thank you so much. I hope to be clear.